larger than life. Cinnamon tea. For weight loss. Blood sugar has a direct impact on your weight as it affects how hungry and how energetic you are. More and more preliminary studies are coming out, showing that cinnamon can help manage blood sugar levels, so why not whip up a spicy cinnamon tea? Cinnamon metabolism tea. You will need 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 cinnamon stick, 8 ounces of fresh water. Directions. Place the cinnamon in a mug and cover with 8 ounces of boiling water. Steep for 15 minutes before straining. Drinking 1-2 times a day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.